I thought I would just show what I'm doing here. I am going to propagate some peppermint. It smells like Christmas time. It smells like candy. And I was cutting this out. I have my handy dandy little cutters here. This is just so thick with peppermint, and peppermint spreads so fast. I thought I would just make up some new plants. So I'm going to propagate some. So what I'm doing, and this happens with oregano and lots of other stuff, but I'm just pulling it up by the roots. This is one of those things. I am not worried at all about whether or not this plant will grow back. I know it will. So I'm just going to pull it out like that, and whatever else stays in there. So now I can make a lot of peppermint plants, because that's enough. I have plenty of peppermint. So I'm going to pot this up and just make a whole bunch more peppermint plants. I'm going to go to the greenhouse and do that. Okay? Let's go to the greenhouse. So I have trimmed up a lot of this, and I'm throwing all this into the compost bucket. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells like peppermints. Smells like my husband. So these little parts right here that have a little bit of a root on them, I probably could plant those, but I have so much of this that I am going to not worry about it, because there's a lot more where that came from. So I've got all of this plus double that amount right here. I put this little plate here so that I can catch all that soil. I don't want that soil to go to waste. So this is what they call root division, and I'm just going to cut off anything that doesn't have any green on it. And I'm going to plant that up. I could probably divide that more, but no need to. I have got plenty. What happened? Okay. I need a new nozzle. Okay. I have these too. I forgot about. But that was like 18 peppermint plants from just pulling these up, and I could make a lot more, but I'm tired. If I already have the parent material, there's no reason to go buy any more plants. Now I have basically an endless supply, or as much as I could ever want, of most of the things that I'm growing in my garden. So be sure to hit that little bell if you want to see more videos like this, and be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now. Is it rolling? Okay.
Rolling.
Action. Okay.
And action.
So that was like, oh, I have these two. Are you rolling? Oh, I don't have my pencil out here. Do you have a pencil?